Updating your email address on Target is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Target website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page under your account name or profile icon. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find this section where your current email address is displayed. Enter your new email address in the provided field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this to confirm your changes and update your account. By following these steps, you can successfully update your email address on Target. Make sure to check your inbox for any confirmation emails to verify the change.